Do you know who my favorite teacher in Olmsted is?
Who?
Miss Gansey.
Me too!
Oh my gosh.
Kids, I'm going to the store.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah, and so.
Mom's calling.
Stacy, can you check if we have cheese in the fridge?
Ashley, check if we have any cheese.
Okay. No cheese.
Stacy, do we have any milk?
Ashley, can you check?
No, we don't have any milk.
Alright, let's go watch Sesame Street.
Yay.
Mom.
Stacy, do we have any hamburger meat?
Ashley, can you check?
Yeah. Yes, but it's spoiled.
Mom, it's spoiled. You're going to have to pick some up.
Oh, darn.
Let's go watch Sesame Street.
Yay!
Hi, Mom.
I'm sorry, Stacy, but do we have any orange juice?
Ashley, can you check?
No!
Hi, Mom.
Hi, sorry. Do you have any strawberries in the fridge?
Ashley, can you check?
No, we don't have strawberries.
Mom, we don't have any strawberries either.
Okay, I'm sorry. Bye, I'll see you later.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Stacy. I'm sorry, but do we have any pudding?
Can you check, Ashley?
Yeah. No pudding.
No, Mom, we don't have any pudding.
Oh, darn. Sorry, girls. Bye.
Okay, bye.
I wish you would bring a list to the store sometime. So
I know.
aggravating. I can't put up with her shenanigans.
Whoa! Wow. Who are you?
I'm the EAF Fridge Scanner Genie.
What's an EAF scanner?
Well, what's in your fridge? It'll scan your food, send you a text. Man, it's cool. Need to know what's spoiled? Let this thing show you. The EAF Fridge Scanner. Setup is easy with the EAF scanner. When you're at the store, just text the number, 5-digit number, on your EAF scanner to your phone. And then it'll send you a text of all the foods in your fridge. Then you're going to hook it up to here. It will move around to scan all the foods in your fridge and the barcodes, those things, and send you what's spoiled and what's in your fridge.
Wow, that's so cool.
The EAF scanner is only 2 easy payments of $5.99. Plus shipping and handling. The EAF scanner is not responsible for any death or... Please call 1-800-EAF-SCANNER 99 for your EAF scanner.